We are happy with Lionkar. When we came to Jinan here, we met you, Adora, myself and my brother. So we went to your office. We have seen things for ourselves. Initially, we were only chatting on WhatsApp, Instagram. But now we are in Jinan. We get to your office. We get to know many of your staffs in your office. Somebody like Kali. Then from here, we went to your factory in Shandong. Is it Shandong? So we went there, we were happy, your staff welcomed us. And one good thing with them, as we are there for just 30 minutes, they said we should go for lunch. We said, no, we don't want to. So after eating, we came to your office. We talked of the trucks we want to buy. We went under the trucks, we checked. That is both the angle iron we are using, the frame, and at the same time the belt. And we told you this is 3 gauge because we have it in Nigeria. So we need 5 gauge. The only thing is that you said yes, if we can change so many things there, the higher the change, the higher the price.
And we're happy. We're all business together.